something a little bit different. I'm bringing you the first ever World's Fastest Build Challenge. I'm going to make a side table from start to finish using some basic tools, and we're going to time it. Now, sure, I've done a little bit of homework, I've made some drawings so I know that, you know, it'll work. Made sure I've got enough screws, things like that, but you know, I haven't preloaded my Kreg Jig, I haven't got my drills ready and all this sort of stuff, and I'll be using a pallet which I haven't even broken down yet. So that's going to be part of it. I'll give it a sand as we go. There will be no glue. There will be no nails. It will be purely held together with pocket holes and pocket hole screws. That's it. The clock and the stopwatch is going to be on screen the entire time. I hope they don't fall over or run out of battery or something, because that'd be really frustrating. Let's get into it. And we're off. Well, first things first. Safety first. Come on, mate, you're losing time. Gotta do the right thing, though. Yep. So what I'm doing is I'm measuring out the legs that I need and cutting them as I go. I then realised that because I'm using just a plain old circular saw, they're a little bit skewy and I need to tidy up all the legs. So I had the brainwave of just cutting the whole pallet up and then just using it like that, measuring and cutting as I go. So basically, this side table or end table I've broken down into 3 sections. Oh, gotta stop for some air guitar. Now, where was I? I've got music playing in my earmuffs if you hadn't worked that out. So I broke this down to 3 parts. It's an end table with 2 shelves, and you have the legs. Hang on, how does that go again? Had a bit of a brain fart. Trying to visualize it. Yep. Legs, then 2 frames which will hold the shelves, and then the shelves, you know, themselves. Now this, got a little bit stuck in there, and yeah, safety first. I know you'll get on me, so I took the battery out before I started poking around, and there it is. Back on. Now, back into it. So we're 46.5 minutes in. And you can hear the chooks, they're happy.
I didn't knock that, did I?
Nah, mate, you didn't. Don't worry about it. Although plenty of times you came close after viewing this footage. So, star of the show, the K5. Where's my pencil? Look at them. Typical. I lost my pencil. I've got a pen. Found a pen. Don't know where my pencil's gone. Oh well, we'll just keep going. I'll use the pen. So now I'm marking out where all my pocket holes are going to go. We're about to hit 1 hour. And we've done a fair bit of the build so far. Oh, I forgot I had an alarm set. Alright, pocket holes. So we started drilling them at 1 hour and 5 minutes. It's just so easy. It's a repetitive job, but, you know, I mean, so is driving nails, so is drilling screws anyway. Oh. You've got to enjoy yourself while you're doing it, don't you? Yeah. Keep drilling them pocket holes. Well, we're done. Turn that bloody alarm off. So it was about 19... Oh, I found my pencil. So 19 minutes it took to drill all those pocket holes, which is essentially your entire joinery. Now we're driving. Bang. That's one shelf. Done. Shelf number 2. Done. Frame for the shelf. Done. The other frame. Done. And now the legs. There's 2 pieces to each leg. Oh, turn that bloody alarm off. Now I'm going to sand it because I want this to be a complete unit when finished, but I can't remember what grit I was using. Oh, 180. Thanks. So 180 grit means I can knock down all the splinters, all the little bumps, all the sharp bits, and still have a nice soft surface as a finish. It almost feels a bit like cheating using 180. Now, I know it's a race against the clock, but I'm not skimping out. I am sanding every inch. So 2 hours 15. So we keep assembling. Shelves under the frames. Sort out how I want my legs. You can see here how it's going together. And you can see I'm using the Kreg screws to drive the shelf frames into the legs. Oh, hang on. That's it. We're done. So 2 hours and 36 minutes, 11 seconds. Celebratory drum solo. 2 hours and 36 minutes ago, this was a pallet outside. That's amazing. Yes, I haven't oiled it or stained it or painted it because that's something that differs between everybody. I'll give this probably a coat of Danish oil, which won't take long, but you know, you need to recoat every few days. Others might choose to paint it. Others might actually leave it raw because it might go outside and they don't care. So the challenge was to build something. This is structurally sound. Yes, my bench is wonky. That's actually really annoying at the moment. I assure you that end table is level. My workbench is all over the place. In all my Kreg videos, I tell you guys, you know, I hope to inspire you by showing you projects that you can complete in a weekend. And some people think that's far-fetched. But I've just done this in 2.5 hours. Now, yes, I didn't stop, but it just goes to show that you could easily do this in a day or a weekend if you wanted to. There's a million other ways that you could do this quicker. Thanks for watching. I'm Ryan from Oz Sawdust Makers. You'll catch many other awesome Kreg projects on the Carpetech YouTube channel and over at the Oz Sawdust Makers YouTube channel. So who's next? Who's taking on the world's fastest build?